Building a website for your pest control service doesn't have to be complicated, and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a simple and affordable website for your pest control service. Let's get started. Now, if you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. Multi-sites is an easy-to-use website generator for small businesses. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So make sure you click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. Now, once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, pest control service. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's tell multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you are operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click on that continue button, multi-site will work its magic, do all the hard work, and create a simple website for your pest control service. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. But let's close it off for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you around the platform. The beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course, but we understand you have a busy schedule with your small business and we wanted to make it as easy as possible. We've also pre-selected the images as well. They're really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone, of course, very professional looking. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Perhaps you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Make it a bit more personalized to your very own business. Let your customers know how you got into this industry, a little background. They'd absolutely love to hear your story. So to make changes on the multi-sites website, you don't need to know any website coding at all. You don't need to be a web professional or have any web development skills. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. It's literally simple enough to manage from your smartphone. So let's make our way to the first section at the top and click on Update Section. Over here, I'm going to pop in my email address for my business, and I want to make sure that that's visible for my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. Awesome. Phone number is click to call, by the way. And physical location, maybe you are a mobile business, but if you have a physical location, you can pop it in over here. When your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath Update Social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Pop the links in over here. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your multi-sites website. If you have a business logo, head on over to our next section to upload it. You can make minor edits to your logo by clicking on that little pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo, make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. Now, to change the colors used throughout your multi-sites website that we've pre-selected for you as well, you don't need to know color coding at all. Click on that paint bucket icon, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section you would like to personalize a bit more to your very own business, all you need to just click on that Update Section button. Underneath Update Images, where you can browse your device to upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high-quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts and pull in those photos if you have a business profile on Instagram. Underneath Update Action is where you can change those call to action buttons, the text on the buttons, and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file, maybe with more details on your pricing options for your customers' convenience to check out. And the last section at the bottom is what we have, a lead generation form. You can keep track of all your leads coming in your multi dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it by clicking on that Connect Your Domain button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain by the multi-sites platform as well. How convenient is that? I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable website on the multi-sites platform for your pest control service. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget that thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for some small business marketing tips.